Hello, how do I buy stocks using Schwab platform? Well, to buy stocks, I like to use Schwab websites. They have think or swim platform that I use to analyze stocks, but to buy stocks, I like to, you know, um, go to their website. So on their website, you you log in and you click on trade. So when you click on trade, it will give you options. I like to click on stocks and ETFs. So from there, you will pretty much enter uh, the symbols. Once you start, you once you start tapping the symbol, it will show you, like you tap the symbol there, it will have a drop down menu show you the company related and the stocks symbol. Once you start tapping it, then you can just click on that. From there, you will choose the action you want. So if you want to buy, then you, like for instance, I have FICO here, and it will just open it for me, and then under action you choose buy. And when you choose buy, you will be able to see the price that it was selling around that time, the bid, the ask as well, and the price. It should be able to have the price that is selling around that time of the day as well for you. So, and once you select the type, the action, which is buy, you will select the order type, and I like to select limit price. So that just means um, the price that I set to buy, it can buy at a price lower but not higher than that, or equal to that price, or lower but not higher than that. And from there, I will choose the timing, and I'll choose day. Because I'm swing trading, I just prefer to choose day. In the past, I will choose the highest, um, which will be good till cancel. I'll choose that in the past some years ago, but now I choose day. And when I'm choosing good until cancel, I tend to go with a lower price than what is selling. But for swing trading, since I start swing trading, I prefer to go with day, and then I can decide the price that I want to set the limit as a limit price. So, and then you will choose the quantity that you want to purchase, and then you will set your price. So when it comes to price, I like to, because I like to place those orders during my lunchtime. So that means midday, the market has been open for some hours. I like to see the price the market is selling at the time I log in. I like to see the bid price, the ask price, but I just like to go with usually the bid price will be lower than the ask price. So I will compare the bid price um, to the price is selling that time, and a lot of time the bid price will be lower. But because I want to buy it that day, I will just go with the price that is selling at the time that I'm placing my order. I'll put that price, I'll make sure I put limit, and then I'll click on review order after I set the quantity, and then place the order from there. And but if you are placing the order early in the morning before the market opens, again, I'll compare the price it closed the day before, the bid price, the ask price, and usually, and sometimes that early in the morning that you are trying to place the order before the market opens, it could be trading by then as well, depending on the time. So I will compare that price as well, and just compare those four prices and choose one that I'm comfortable with. Usually, more the lowest price, but not necessarily the lowest, because the lowest could be, it may not go that low during the day. But yeah, I will compare those and choose between the lowest or the second lowest or something like that. And that way I know that I have the whole day for that, to buy it for me. It might purchase it, it may not purchase it, but yeah. So that is the way I set those prices, depending on whether I'm placing the order before the market opens, or I'm doing it around noontime, halfway through the day already. So that is how I place my orders for that. And later, when you want to check, your order status to see what purchase, what is in purchase, again under trade, you click on order status, and you'll be able to access it and see what filled and what didn't, and what didn't, it didn't purchase it for you. If the market was still open, then there should be a drop down menu for you to click on there, to choose to update that order, and then you change the price for it. So, and yeah, that is pretty much the way I like to do it, through their website. But again, the platform, because it's owned by Schwab, the Think or Swim platform, you should be able to place order through it. I just don't do it. Because here you see purchase by, they have those when I just right click on it. But I only use the Think or Swim platform for chart analysis. Today we are going to analyze fast as of May 2, 2026. So when we are looking at fast, is coming down from the top of the mountain. In fact, it reached this support line that is few years long. We have the dates on the x-axis from the past to the present, and the price on the y-axis from $0 up. It touched base with it, went up and come back to it, but I didn't select it to be what I want to buy. I want to buy at either one of those lines. But we'll go to maximum monthly chart to see this line again, to see if we extended, where that will go. For that to come here is going to go through this, so I'm not going to do that. So, and I'm just going to count the number of years that it is long. That'll be 1, 2, 3, 4 years. So 4 years, and this one is longer. And one thing I've been doing, in when I don't know this is going to be the support line, I can decide to buy some around this line. If it comes down here, I might buy some more, and if it comes there, I might buy some more as well. When it comes there, I may not buy much if the distance between the two is not that wide. The price gap is not that wide. 42 here, 36 here. So, but is, yeah, so those are things I consider as well. That way I won't wait too long and not actually get in the trade. But those are things I have to consider. He touched base with it, went up, and is coming back to it again. So I will decide if I want to buy some shares or not. But that will be my personal choice on that, and I'm okay if I purchase some shares here and they pull back here. I know I'll be negative in it, but I know that it is a growth stocks is going to go up again at some point, and I have multiple stocks that are negative in my portfolio, so I'm okay with it. And I will learn that, well, this is not the valley line if it goes down and touch base with any one of those two. So thank you so much for watching our videos. Another way I like to access the page on Schwab to place the order is through my portfolio. When I click on a drop down menu next to any stocks in the portfolio, it'll give me the option to buy or sell all shares. Buy all share or sell all share, or buy or sell. I tend to click on that as well. Click on buy there, and then it'll open a window for me next to all the stocks in my portfolio, and then I can just put the stock symbol. If the stocks that I click on the drop down menu is not the stock I want to buy more share of, I will put the stock symbol, and then I will complete it with the limit price, the number of shares that I want to purchase, and then place the order. So thank you so much for your time. We thank you very much for watching our videos. Thank you for all your comments, and we thank you very much for subscribing to our channel. I'm Afiavi Liberman, creator of Liberman Consulting L.L.C YouTube channel, and Sub.com our blog. On our channel and on our blog, we share different ways to save money and different ways to make money to reach your financial independence. And swing trading could be another stream of income for you over time. Just start small and grow your account from there. As a disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a professional trader. I just swing trade in my husband and I joint account, and I like to share what is working for us, what is not working, or what I'm learning, share that with you, so that if you find few tips you can improve and use in your own financial success journey, that'll be good. But just use our information at your own discretion. What is working for us may not work for you based on your financial situation. Just keep that in mind. For more videos in this series, will you please check the playlist How to Start Swing Trading Step by Step Using Long Uptrend Line in the description of this video. And this video is brought to you by our online store, Liberman.com, where we sell household products including tote bag and cloth napkins. So if you are looking for those things for your home, will you please check it out. Thank you so much for your time. Happy swing trading.